To become eligible for the POWERLINE bonus in our system, you need to purchase the basic license within 7 days of your registration. If another user registers before you but fails to purchase the license within 7 days, they will be positioned under you as long as you have acquired the license within the specified time frame. The POWERLINE bonus is a weekly distribution where 2% of the revenue from software licenses, products, and maintenance fees is shared among members who own at least the basic license and are placed above the member generating the sales. This bonus is credited to your account every Tuesday at 00 to 00 UTC plus 4. The initial qualification for this bonus requires purchasing the basic software license. Subsequent eligibility extends for 3 months from the date of purchase, and you can maintain eligibility by paying an annual maintenance fee of $120, set to be introduced in the first quarter of 2024. In addition to the POWERLINE bonus, there are multiple avenues for earning, such as the Unilevel, Matrix, Matching, and Whirlpool bonuses, along with profits from external projects. Achieving higher ranks in the system offers access to a percentage of the global Whirlpool bonus, with each rank having specific qualification requirements that must be met monthly. Please note, the information provided and the monthly earning examples mentioned are merely potential earnings and should not be considered as guaranteed or assured income.